No, you don't, Long lines, bitch. Struggles getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain. Okay, the struggles getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain.
Hello guys, so it's your boy Blazer Bright over here. So today I'm going to train you on how to master emotional type vocals. So if you got the verse, if you got a nice mix, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's hear what we have.
Struggles getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain. Okay, the struggles getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain.
Yeah, those are the kind of vocals that we have for today. So for mastering, I'm going to open my master out. So press F3 on your keyboard, then go straight to effects. So the first effect that I'm going to use is Pro Q3. Yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to roll off the low ends. I'm going to use an high pass. Yeah, like this. So the aim of cutting off some frequencies at around 30 Hertz and below. These are those kind of muddy frequencies that we don't like in our mix, such as the reverbs, the delays, those little details within the song that has no meaning at all. So the same, I'm going to do a low pass filter here at the top, yeah, like this, at around 23,000 Hertz. So there are some frequencies at the high end that I don't like at all, or that sounds harsh when they are in our mix or in our master. So we need to cut them off. So let's hear how they sound.
Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni.
Yeah, another thing. So I'm going to head straight to around 250 to 500 Hertz and cut off some frequencies. This is a frequency range whereby we get the boomy effect within the vocals, within the master. So we don't want to introduce that whenever we play our song in big systems with higher volumes turned on. So I'm going to trim off some frequencies between 250 Hertz to 500 Hertz.
Okay, the struggles getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days.
Yeah, I think I like this one. So I'm going to introduce another cut at around 1K to 1.5K. It is where we find the nasal frequencies, whereby we hear like somebody singing, like he or she is singing using the nose. You know, we don't like wanna hear that kind of frequency. So I'm going to cut some frequencies around 1K to 1.5K Hertz. So it's upon you to swipe around the frequency range and hear something that sounds good to your ears. So let's do it.
A chilly, lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain. Struggles getting heavy, getting drained.
Yeah, at that given frequency range, I feel like everything is clear and the sound, the vocal sounds good and clear. They're just cutting through the mix very well, and I like that.
Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely.
Yeah, so with the EQ, I think I'm not going to do much because this is a master, so we don't want to cut off things so much. So the next plugin within my master mix arrangement, I'm going to use a compressor. I'm going to use an SSL comp stereo. So the first thing that I'm going to do using this given SSL comp, I'm going to ensure that I'm working below 0 dB to 4 dB compression, because I don't want to be compressing things too much. I just want to glue things together. I just want to make things come together and be in harmony. So I'm going to adjust the threshold and the attack, and then I'm going to maybe regain the lost compression, the lost volume during compression using this makeup knob up here. So let's see how it acts over our mix. Yeah, as you can see, this given compression, it's exceeding 4 dB. Yeah, there's some little pass above 4 dB, and we don't want to do that. So I'm going to adjust the threshold until I have a minus less than 4 dB compression.
Getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days. A chilly, lonely race. Juza bumetoka ni pain. Juza bumetoka ni rain.
Yeah, I think I like that one. So as you can see, like we have around 3.8, 3.6 compression. Around 3.6, 3.8 dB compression. So we don't want to do much. I think that one is enough. So always maintain at below 4 dB compression in your master, because the aim of compressing our mix is just trying to glue things together, trying to bring all the instruments, all the vocals within the mix together. All right, so I'm also going to use the NLS bus. So this one, we are going to use it to give our master the color, something cool, something spiky, something chilly, according to your taste or according to the type of the song. So we are not going to do much on this given plugin, the NLS bus stereo. The only thing that we want to do is just switching between the notes and between the knobs and hear what sounds good to us. So so the notes are spike, mic and nevo. So we switch between them and see or hear what sounds good to us. Yeah, I think I like mic. As you can hear, it sounds wow. Yeah, another plugin that we are going to add in our master channel, we are going to use the fresh air. So we are going to introduce some saturation within the master, so that we can have something bright, something colored within our master. Let's hear.
Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza bumetoka ni pain. Juza bumetoka ni rain. This type is getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza bumetoka ni pain.
Yeah, let me just play on and off.
Juza bumetoka ni rain. Okay, the struggle's getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly, lonely race. Juza bumetoka.
Yeah, I think I like that one. So it gives our song that given color, that given bright colors. So the next plugin that I'm going to use is the Vitamin. So Vitamin stereo, I'm going to use it to separate the frequencies. So I'm going to separate them, all the lows, and turn them to mono like this. Then I'm going to boost. Yeah, so the essence of separating the lower end frequencies and panning them in mono or rather, and mastering them in mono, the main aim is just to ensure that our song sounds good in all devices, including those small devices that our listeners shall be using to listen to our song. Yeah, I'm going also to boost some high mid and some the mid.
Getting drained, your mama walking days, a chilly lonely race.
On.
Okay, the struggle's getting heavy, getting drained.
Yeah, I think I like that one. So the main aim here during mastering is not trying to just boost everything to the top. The main aim is just trying to level things out. Each frequency range, each instrument, each vocal within the mix to be heard clearly. We don't want to be pushing things to the highest levels with the aim of getting the master louder while messing up with the whole thing. So we don't want to do that. What we're going to do here is just boosting what needs to be boosted and cutting what needs to be cut for us to have a clear master that is clear and loud, right? So the next thing,
your mama walking days, a chilly lonely race.
Yeah, I think I love this. So I'm going to adjust now the volume and limit things out. So I'm going to use the L2 Ultra Maximizer. So how to use this one is simple. You just use the ceiling knob and the threshold. So the ceiling is how, to what extent this given vocal shall be heard, to what highest dB can this given master will be heard whenever a given volume is adjusted. And the threshold is just trying to boost or to lower the volume of the overall master. So the ceiling, I'm going to limit everything to -1, -0.1, like that, like this one. Then I'm going to boost the volume of the master using threshold. Yeah, like that one. Now at the end of our master chain, I'm going to use a meter so that I can monitor my volume of my master. So I'm not going to go beyond -9 dB. So I'm going to have my master at -9, -10 dB. That one is safe for uploading to the social media platforms like YouTube, Spotify, Boomplay. Yeah, -9 to -14 dB is okay. So let me check my master.
Struggle's getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain. Okay, the struggle's getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain. Struggle's getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly lonely race.
Yeah, I think I like this because the integrated value, the integrated LUFS is -9.3, 9.4, and I think I like that. The mix sounds and the master sounds loud without any amount of distortion, without any instrument clashing within the mix. All right, so -9 to -14 dB is okay. It's a good master.
Umetoka ni pain, ni pain, ni pain. Juza umetoka ni rain, ni rain, ni rain. Okay, the struggle's getting heavy, getting drained. Your mama walking days, a chilly lonely race. Juza umetoka ni pain.
So let me play the before and after and see what the steps that we've made. So before.
Juu sababu umetoka ni re. Struggles getting heavy, getting dry.
After
Your mama working days, a chilly lonely race. Juu sababu umetoka ni pain. Juu sababu umetoka ni re. Okay, the struggles getting heavy, getting dry. Your mama working days, a chilly lonely race. Juu sababu umetoka ni pain. Juu sababu umetoka ni re. Struggles getting heavy, getting dry. Your mama working days, a chilly lonely race. Juu sababu umetoka ni pain. Juu sababu umetoka ni re. Okay, the struggles getting heavy, getting dry. Your mama working days, a chilly lonely race. Juu sababu umetoka ni pain. Juu sababu umetoka ni re.
yeah, guys, I think I love this. So if you want to learn more about mixing, mastering, beat making, consider subscribing to these given channels for you to get updated about my latest updates. Thank you so much, guys, for your support.
Struggles getting heavy, getting dry. Your mama working days, a chilly lonely race. Juu sababu umetoka ni pain. Juu sababu umetoka ni re.